Hello guys, welcome back to another video of CSS. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can create basic CSS buttons with the help of some CSS styling. Now let's see how we can do it. So first of all I'm going to get inside this style tag, okay, and here we are going to just type here dot button, okay, and inside this, as you can see here, we have created buttons in HTML and I have set it class to these buttons, and I have set it two classes in this here. So let's talk about later in this video. So to this button we are going to set some CSS properties and we are going to make this look like some stylish, creative and beautiful buttons. So here we are going to set background color as, let's set it green, okay, and now we are going to use border as none. Again we are going to set color as white, okay, padding would be like 15 and 15 px and 32 px, okay, so the text would be in the center and display will be like inline block, okay, and again we are going to set the font size, okay, font size as 16 px, and again we are going to use here margin as 4 px and 2 px, that is 4 pixels and 2 pixels, and at the end we are going to set the cursor as pointer, okay, so the pointer indicates that it is a link to the button, so we'll see how it works. Now we'll just save this and open it with live server, okay. So now you can see a color green has been created and all these properties have been into green color. Okay, so the text is in the center, padding has also been done white, and the margin between these buttons is also set properly. Now the cursor comes into play here. So whenever you go over the button, you can see it shows a pointer. So if you set it to default, you'll not get the pointer. So if you set it to default, you'll not get the pointer, you'll just get the thing of the mouse cursor. So we'll just make it pointer and we'll save this. Now you can see it's a pointer. So this is how you can do it. Now we can also add different color to this button. So here we are going to use the second classes. Here I'm going to set the background color, okay, background color as blue, okay, and that's it. Again I'm going to use the same thing, so I'll just control C here, we'll paste this, okay, and there are four buttons. So the first one, the third one, okay, I'll just rename this third, again fourth, again this is fifth, and here we'll change the color to red, okay, and here we'll make it black, okay, and here we are going to make this as gray. That's it. Now let's just save this and open with live server. Now you can see we have created color buttons with different colors. So that's the thing. Now the method, or you can say the concept of writing two classes here is whenever I'll pass this first class, that is this button, it would add this CSS properties to that button. But at this stage, that is button 2, we want to override color, or we want the same properties for all buttons, but in this case we just want to change the color. So for that we'll use the second class here, which is button 2, and we'll override the color. So implementing background color in this button 2 class would override the color in the CSS. So that's the basic thing, and we have done it for the button 3, button 4 and button 5 as well. Okay, so this is the thing with how you can color your buttons using CSS. So create some beautiful stunning buttons and let us know how you have created it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay tuned.